In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share others' status in WhatsApp. Let's start by opening WhatsApp on your phone. Make sure you're on the main screen where you can see all your recent chats. Along the top, you should see different tabs, like Chats, Calls, and Status. Go ahead and tap on the Status tab. This is where you'll find all the status updates that your contacts have posted in the last 24 hours. Once you're in the Status section, you'll see a list of your contacts' names, each with a small preview of their status. Tap on the contact whose status you want to share. Their photo, video, or text status will open in full screen, and you can watch or read it just like you normally would. Now, to share this status, look for the share or forward icon. On most versions of WhatsApp, this looks like a small arrow pointing to the right or a forward symbol, usually near the bottom or top corner of the screen. Tap that icon. When you do, WhatsApp will open a list of your chats and contacts that you can share this status with. From here, you have a couple of options. You can share it directly with individual contacts or groups, or, if WhatsApp allows it for that particular status, you may be able to share it to your own status. Remember that some statuses, especially those with privacy settings or certain types of media, might not be shareable. If you don't see the option, it's likely because the original poster has limited how their status can be shared. Choose the person or group you want to send it to by tapping on their name. You can also select multiple chats if you want to send it to more than one person at once. Before you hit send, you'll usually have the option to add a message or caption. This is a great place to add context, like why you're sharing it or any extra information your contact might need. When you're ready, tap the send button. The shared status will now appear in the chat or chats you selected, just like a forwarded image, video, or message. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can easily share a contact's WhatsApp status with others, while still respecting privacy settings and the way WhatsApp handles forwards and shares.